Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall. I want to make that video go viral. You see me I say? And me need on help and support because I got injury on the job, and from the injury happen, me no work and me have bills to pay and rent. You see me I say? And the people them I try to grow on me thing, you know me I say? Alright. May the 8th, 2018, I went into the kitchen for this disinfectant from the dispenser located in pot wash. So when me I go for a saucepan to put the sauce in because food they come down. So me have to get the saucepan to go upstairs to throw the sauce out of the container. You see me I say? To serve the staff them. You see me I say? Me step on a manhole cover were located in pot wash. My right foot go down in the manhole, right, and my left shank hit the edge of the manhole, right? Now when the incident happened, one brother did it and he helped me out, and the whole kitchen staff viewed the incident, and the whole dining room staff viewed the incident. So when I come out of the hole, my right foot, my right shoes they full of muck. So my manager come down and tell me to wash off the muck, and I did as he told me. No, me did it. And when I supervisor tell me, say, make sure say the nurse know about the incident. So the manager carry me to a nurse, you know me I say, me explain to her what happened. She called Rasconi, that is the food and beverage director. Tell him about the incident. He called Mr. Mala. And Mr. Mala, that I nurse, you know, call Mr. Mala and I ask the pants to change. Because she said pants don't smell good. And she called one next empress named Trudy. Because she would have inspect to see if the place clean. And she confirmed, and my manager confirmed to her that yes, the incident happened. Alright. She iced the foot. For 1 hour 20 minutes, then have me did I ice the foot and rub Voltaren on it. You see me I say? And asked me if me allergic to estrogen. So I told her no. She gave me 2 packs. So she decided to send me to my yard. So I tell her, so I feel extreme pain. So she send me to the doctor. She said, you know, that's serious. That after me dropping on the manhole, you know. Alright. She write up the gate pass, me go through, because there's a doctor office on the compound, and there is hospital across the road. So me go down in the town now, and me go to the doctor, a doctor establishment. I saw this doctor by the name of Dr. Anderson. Now when me go to the doctor now, me explain to her what happened. Now, she examined me. She said if me still feel the pain in the foot, me if he come back 2 days time and she make a referral to do an x-ray. So I went back the 10th, that is the Thursday. She do the referral, and when she do the referral, she write a 7-day sick leave. Me carry it into the hotel, and then, you know me I say, me go the other day, the Friday, to do the x-ray. When we go in Thursday night, one whole heap of back pain. You understand? So the other week now, when we go in with the x-ray, you understand? That are the Monday week, me realize that she not did it. So me explain to the doctor, say, Virgin, me I feel whole heap of back pain, and he examine me. He write down what he write down. And then he prescribe some relaxant, back relaxant. Alright. Go back and forth, can't find the doctor. Cause the hotel they call and private number, you know, and I follow up. How you feeling? Did you went to the police? And them question them ask me, you know. When they call me back 31st, and me, you know, me realize, say, them I say, how everything and what the x-ray say. So me tell them, say, me no know. So them say, why me not go another doctor? Me say, is the doctor who write the referral, or that the doctor me want to review it? So then say, try back next week. So me say, me try multiple times. So them say, if you try back. So me call it, me go down eye doctor the Monday. When me go the Monday, them I tell me, say, yo, me if the doctor will come in the Wednesday. Alright. Them come in the Wednesday now, that are the 6th of June. She says, you know, she missed it from the 10th and surface back the 6th. Alright. So, during the incident, when me tell the doctor man about the back, because she wasn't available from the 10th until the 6th. The doctor man said she see me first, so make she deal with it. So she examined me. You know me I say, press off it, test and, you know, do some examination for my back. And after she do the examination, she write up for me do an x-ray on the L spine. Alright, went Black River. When I come back, she miss her again. So, me get to find out that she will come the 22nd. Because I communicate with the doctor office now. So she show up the 22nd, she review the x-ray. The x-ray show damaged tissues. When she did examine me, the 6th of June, she tell me say most likely me have to go do a MRI. So when the result come back now, me go back, me realize, me say, me come for you write the referral for do the MRI. Me realize she don't want me do the MRI. So, me go back. She say me for go home and take my medication and rest. Alright. Me the pay for your medical report, $10,000. That is the same June the 6th. The same day that she made the referral for the back. Pay for a medical report. Wait missing again. Could I find this woman? Cannot be found. So when me ask the doctor who own the place, where the doctor woman there, that a Dr. Anderson, him say he don't know her whereabouts. Alright, me go to town. When me go to town to some people deal with fraud, then tell me say it is not in their jurisdiction. So then say right medical counsel. By the next week, them people there at the office call me and tell me say come for the medical report. It is ready. No. When I go there, because I never get injured before, them write one report, right, medical report, pen writing, no signature, angular name sign. So, me write medical counsel and make them know what I want, you understand, as the person them suggest. Me I go back and forth, don't know where this doctor there. So, you know, me check round and make few check round, me find out say, she, the Upper Cornwall Regional Hospital at work. So all along when the doctor man tell me say he never know where she there. I lie him there tell me. Because both of them work Upper Cornwall Regional Hospital. So me get a summon served for her and him at the doctor office. You see me I say no representation they come to the doctor office, but people come. You understand? Him come, she come. No. Guess what she tell the judge say? She explain herself, so the judge tell me say explain what happened. Me explain say, me step on the manhole cover, me foot good down in the manhole and me shank, the left shank hit the edge of the manhole. You understand? She write on the report, me step in an open manhole. And me bring that to her attention, you know, and she say, and what me tell her say? So, when me explain to the judge now, and she look on the judge and tell the judge say, me go down there boisterous and take out my medical docket. And them did not report it to any police. And me have evidence that me went back there. Even after they accuse me the date. And the man say yes, I'm going to make it reach Supreme Court requirements. Because a Supreme Court me want to go through. No, the judge wild her up and say Mr. Brown need the report. Because, you know, the insurance are going to want it and people them are want it for the claims. No, people. Me have such a hard time. Because me they try this a liar, man, and you understand. He tell me, say, boy, you know, them firm, they, you know, step down. But me realize there's something fishy there going, because me get, you know, letter with the doctor name spelled wrong twice. So, I want a lawyer who will represent me and look through the case. And I have evidence that the incident they happened on the compound. I go to the hotel and tell them how I go on about the back injury, you know, and the foot injury, you know. And they know. You know what people them tell me, say, me if I come out, they come sit down at the hotel and then pay me just by sitting down. Them never send me to a doctor, you know. More time, I sit down up too long, you know how much back pain man have you feel. And all me want a MRI if it done with the x-ray show. You understand? With the damaged tissue or where she sign up the referral. And all know until today. No people, Jamaica, a be a corruption there this. And you the politician, we are the one who vote you guys in. So if you put system, that means if a person get injury on the job And then send them to a doctor and then do all these things to defraud them. Charge that company 40 million because you don't have to send a message out there because we is the people who put on in there. And many people get damaged and I want a reporter from foreign come down to interview me so me can expose the corruption. And when them do their investigation, I'm going to find out the corruption that in Jamaica. So people make it go viral. Share it on social media. Tag it to the bloggers them. The whole of them. Source the whole of them. You see me I say? Every one of them were blog. You see me I say? Tag it to artists. And I need the help. I'm going to put a description and my account number. When I can donate to me account in a NCB because I have to pay rent and bills and I am not working. For the incident happen, I not work hard, back pain, and I be a grow on the thing. You understand? Them not say me go a doctor, but they want me come sit down for them job. And I have evidence. Some want a lawyer who can represent me that do not have any affiliation to Half Moon Resort. You understand? That can represent me in the Supreme Court. Because the judge look at me, and when the judge look at me, and say, Mr. Brown, the fact that they did not send it to a hospital or doctor, it's a different claim. Somebody to represent me and me get along with my life. Because me never yet have a back injury. Look here, you see the country here? You think we're far from Mexico in terms of corruption, accountability. When people act certain behavior, you understand? Because every people them the same, me got a doctor and I believe in me, you know. Me never they pre no quote thing. But how they deal with the situation, them they make it look like say it don't happen on the compound. You understand? Because them time before I have the mud off of my shoes. And they want me change the pants. And then say me go to a doctor. And tell me say me if you come sit down and work. You understand? What if me never go to a doctor? Then could I say me go injure myself. You get me? I say so these people and Half Moon Resort, you should have deal with the situation better than how you deal with it. And artists link up, want to tag this, you know. Want to go viral, you know. Because enough people mash up. And because of these foolishness and these everybody know everybody. And so corruption come in. And the Lord is going to reward them. The seed when the sown not going to reap, you know. No evil seed not going to reap no fruits and the seed in that way for reproduce, you know. The Lord is going to strip the found and the prosperity. Because of the wickedness. You know how much pain me feel and things. And my life get threatened, you know. That's why I put this on social media. Because enough is enough. People get injured. And people have to run up and down and hide and all type of things. And people go through it. Me not work. Me never yet do no farmer test for my back, you know. Me never yet have a back injury. Me never do an X-ray on my back, you know. So you know what? People, make it go viral. And please help me. You know, the account number will be in the description also, my contact number. Because I want a lawyer who is serious of take up the thing. And journalists, because this is going to reach the world. I want to come down. Because a lot of corruption happening in Jamaica and people get injured. And people who get injured speak out. Because it's country. Look here, man. You hear me? Media hotel. You think say, if me car one teapot at a table without an underliner, me can get suspended for that and 2 suspension and termination. And if me dare do that, and our auditor, me just lose the job. So we go under scrutiny to follow standard operation procedure. Nothing wrong with following standard operation procedure. Because you have people with allergen, what we have to deal with. I know these things. It keep the place, you know me I say, it avoid certain things. But then if you keep the place safe, you know if I went that the man who there and look at rush me the pan, you know. The man who cover, you know, I rush me the pan. You understand? Or rush me the pan. So I want a lawyer who will represent me and take up the case as serious. And the different claims them. You see me I say? So people make it go viral and I need any help. Because I have to pay rent and bills. Anybody who know me, they know what I go through. This is serious. It's very serious. 2018 and I not see no headway. That's why I make it go social media. Make it go viral. More want even the foreign journalists them come down. I don't care. Whatever no come down. And when you do no investigation and I go see the corruption. People get mashed up. You know me I say if I hand to me I think I can pay my rent. Me have bills, that's what I ask for the help people and me have some other tests more independently because you can. Them not say me go to doctor. They not say me go to hospital. And them go tell me say, you know, that serious. Man can drop down in a manual and tell me that. You know that serious. Me couldn't lick me head and dead. So I want to make it go viral on the social media. Many times me look at me have money. Me have bills to pay, me have rent, me have to pay. Corruption in this country, yeah, man. Because the little man have no talking. And we the little people voting in the politician them. So the government have to put things in place to make sure that these things happen. Police to keep safe. You know how much time, how much pain me feel on my back. I'm foot swell and all type of things. And I go through headache. If you run up and down. So you may say now people, make it go viral. Because I need help. Bless up. And the Lord are going to give them the reward. The Lord are going to strip them of them prosperity. Them are going to fear God. Because God will fight my battle. The Lord is fighting my battle. And God is not mocked. So put you up on the sword.
Viewers and subscribers, it's not the first time you hear someone talk about a situation like this that the person talk about in this video. You see me? Now I'm going to say some things, you see me? And you can let me know if I am right or if I am wrong, you see me? But according to certain laws within the country of Jamaica, when a person gets injured on a job that the person is doing, it depends on the injury and it depends on the type of job that a person is entitled to a certain form of compensation. You see me? And how much or what type of compensation, I think it depends on the type of injury and the type of job. You see me? Because I read about similar things like this in articles out there now, and I'm talking about news articles, you understand? You see me, I said to you, and you know, a lot of times whenever you hear about someone getting injured on the job and all these things, you know, some of the times me hear persons complain and say them can't get this done, or the compensation is not coming through, or the company that them work for is not giving them anything, or something, you know, something happen. You see me, I'm not saying that it happen every time. You see me, I say, but sometimes, you see. So I just presented to you a video that shows a person who said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he got injured on the job, and that he's trying to expose the corruption behind that situation. You see what I'm saying to you? See it? According to some things that this person said, I get the understanding that he's saying that he wants a lawyer to represent him in this situation that he talked about. You see me? And you know, some things that this person said, you know, I really and truly look at this person as a strong person, you know? Yeah, I look at this person as a strong person, according to some things that the person said. No, I am only going by the things that this person had said, you know. I cannot confirm if everything this person said is actually accurate or the truth. And I'm not saying that the person is lying, but at the same time, you know, I bring this video to you so that you can hear some of the things that this person had said. You can also let me know what to think about some of the things that this person had said, and so on. You see what I'm saying to you? I hope that this video somehow reach the right eyes and ears out there, and I hope that this person gets some form of assistance or representation to resolve this issue. You see me, I say? Yeah, so let me know what you think about some of the things that this person has said in this video, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. Dancehall, skilla entertainment.